So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install and run a basic program of NLTK, which is a natural language toolkit, a library based on Python. So you need to have a Python installed on your computer, which is a prerequisite. Then you have to open your VS Code. Now just go in File tab and then open folder and then open your desired folder. I will be using this particular one. So firstly I need to open my terminal and check for Python version. My terminal is using Python 3.11. Now I will create a file named as main.py and I will check for the version which VS Code is using for this. You can see that it is using 3.11, that is the same version as my terminal. But if it is not using 3.11, then you have to click here and then go here. You will see a list of versions and then you can switch that version. You can see that now it is currently 3.13.1. I will just click it here again and switch to my required version. These versions need to be same because whenever you install a module, that version, that module is required in is installed in a particular version. That's why both of these needs to be same. Okay, now what you have to do is you just have to import. Firstly, you need to install NLTK. Pip install NLTK. Since I have already installed this one, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now you have to import NLTK. You can see that there is no warning. That means it is successfully installed. Now we will try running a basic line after this also. Print imported. Okay, now let's try running this program. Python main.py. You can see that the output is imported. That means the third line, which is getting executed. That simply means this line is also getting executed and it is showing no errors. So we can say that our module is successfully imported. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.